What's up, everyone? If your Ford Focus isn't starting and you're wondering if it's a fuse or relay issue, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you exactly where the starter fuse and relay are. Fast and easy. Let's pop the hood and dive in. Alright, in the Ford Focus MK2, the first things first, pop the hood and head over to the main fuse box. This is where the magic starts. To open it, just press these tabs on both sides and lift the cover off. Now check this out. This right here is your starter relay. If your car is just clicking or doing nothing when you turn the key, this could be the culprit. Try this quick trick. Lightly tap the relay while someone turns the key. If it's stuck, this might free it up. But even better, swap it with another working relay like the blower motor or the rear defrost. Now let's talk fuses. The main starter fuse is this big 30 amp J-case fuse right here. You can try to wiggle it out. Just don't panic if the plastic cap breaks. It still works. Look inside and make sure the metal strip is intact. Let's head inside for the second fuse box. It is located inside the panel on the steering wheel area. You need to remove the fuse panel by pulling that out. Then pop open your fuse cover and you'll find the fuses. So here they are. It's this 20 amp fuse right here. It powers the ignition switch. Pop it out and check it. Next, in the 2012 to 2018 Ford Focus, you'll find the fuse box right here on the driver's side. Go ahead and remove this cover. Just pull it up and set it aside. So here are the fuses that you need to check. This little guy right here is your starter relay. If your car won't crank, this might be the issue. Try this. Have someone turn the key to start while you give this relay a light tap. Sometimes a stuck relay just needs a little wake-up call. Still not sure if it's the relay? No problem. Swap it with this one over here. That's your blower motor relay, same type. Just don't use the ASU relay or you'll be asking for bigger problems. Next up, the starter fuse is this big 30 amp J-case fuse right here. You can look through the top to check if it's blown. You'll see the metal strip inside either intact or burnt. Need to test it? You can temporarily swap it with this fuse over here. That one's for your rear window defroster. Not critical for starting the car, so it's a safe bet for testing. Alright, if you've got a Ford Focus MK4 and it's not starting, listen up. This could save you a ton of hassle. The starter motor fuse is located right here in the engine bay fuse box. Yep, that one between the battery and the near side wing. If you're not sure how to open it up, I've got a full video showing you exactly how to access it. Check that out later. Once you're in, look for this red 30 amp M-case fuse. That's your starter motor fuse. If the car's not cranking, this guy might be the culprit. Peek through the top and check the metal strip inside. If it's broken or burnt, it's blown. And remember, always replace it with the same 30 amp M-case type. No guessing games here. Still having issues? Check the wiring or test the outlet with another device. Sometimes it's not just the fuse. Now let's move inside the car. Yep, we're heading to the cabin fuse box. It's tucked away under the passenger side console. You might have to pop off a cover to get to it, but no tools needed. Here's what you're looking for. This is a red 10 amp Micro 2 fuse. This one controls your ignition switch. If it's blown, your car won't even try to start. Need a replacement? Just ask for a Micro 2 10 amp fuse at any auto parts store. They're super common. And that's a full breakdown of the starter circuit on the Ford Focus. Hopefully this helps you get your car cranking again. Drop a comment if you've got questions or if you've got a tip for troubleshooting the system. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.